Hello guys, customer bring this one is mobile is he's having a camera issue. Camera is blur, so many um, problems in the camera. Precisely you can see the camera look like is okay, but when you see a picture it is very dark and has some dots on the picture, and when you take a picture from that zooming it is not properly taking the picture. So let's do it, changing the camera. If you see, the camera is not clear. Turn off the camera. First we need to remove that back screws. Before we doing anything, we have to remove these screws and take the battery connector off, because it is very important. If you don't take the battery connector off, it can be a short circuit of your motherboard and then affect your phone. So the best way is to remove that battery connector and LCD. After that you have to do rest of the things. So this is the battery connector. Now we will remove these 5 screws, and then after that we will take the camera off. Now these connectors are for the camera, so we have to be very carefully remove it. Yeah, underneath there is another connector. Here you go. So camera is off now. Customer is working in a construction area, and that's why it's having a lot of dust, but we will change the camera. So this is a new camera, we are using this one. If you compare with this one, you can see here there's a lot of dust. So let's do it. First we need to connect that small connector. Before we doing anything, we will test the camera, is that working fine, and then we will close it. Yeah.
What's the keys? Do you do keys as well?
And keys, yeah, I do. That is not my specialty basically. There are so many customers asking in this area, do you do the keys? So I said, yeah, we starting that one, let's do it.
Yeah.
Because this is also a very vast industry. If you see, that's I'm doing the just the basic home keys.
Yeah.
There are the car keys, there is the fob keys, there are so many other keys.
Yeah. It's hard to do everything because you need different machines and
Aye. Every machine is a different. This is someone is selling that one. That's why I just take a offer. You living around here?
I'm in Rob Royston, but I'm from here.
Aye.
I'm from Milton,
All right.
but I stay in Rob Royston. But
Someone is recommend you, or just passing?
no, I've been in here before. I bought stuff off you before.
Oh yeah, right. There's another guy was here before.
I can't remember what I got off you before.
Yeah.
Might be that cover, no. and something else. I actually think I bought the see to cover the camera.
Uh-huh.
I think I bought that
All
off
right.
you before.
You working in a construction?
Yeah,
That's why it's a lots of dust.
yeah, aye.
Yeah.
I do tiling in bathrooms and stuff.
Aye.
That's why I don't buy an updated